I welcome you all to 45th day of my systems trading challenge, which I'm actually thinking of shortening it to only 50 days instead of 100. So yeah, again, almost the same thing happened today, but with a very less intensity. All right, the markets were, this is Bank Nifty, so I'm going to explain you how Bank Nifty behaved because almost all the indexes behaved the same way. So we opened the gap down at around 0.45%. Okay. And then this very weird thing happened. Okay. Like if we just remove these two candles, right? So we can consider this as the midpoint till 14:15. Okay. 14 o'clock and 15 minutes or 2:15. So from here, what was the maximum range that Bank Nifty was in? So this is the peak, that is 61 points. Okay. And this is the bottom, that is 45 points. So in almost close to 110 points, Bank Nifty was sitting like throughout the day till the time 14:15. Okay. And one problem I got in my code when I was like trying to edit something and I accidentally closed my running program. So I had to square off all my positions and then reinitiate everything at 13 o'clock. But all the trades that were taken before 13:30 were not taken. Okay. So what happened here is some of the delta trades got stopped out like in call here and then put again here because this spike, as you can see that this peak was above the day's high. All right, and that too it came after a green candle. So many people went long, might have went long here, so there was a spike in premiums, and I got stopped out at this peak only, but no regrets because after this there was a smooth fall of close to 166 points, that is 0.4%, or it went till a minimum of almost close to 200 points. Now this 200 points, actually it is nothing when compared to what it was in like 4 to 5 months back. Okay, this used to happen in one 5 minutes candle, and now this is all, every candle here is a 15-minute candle, as you can see here on the top. All right, so what happened is my all the trades, okay, like the theta trades net positive, delta trades net positive. Now market fell from here, but there was such a huge decay, and I finally ended up booking 9,500 rupees. And let me show you the PNL and where it got. See, this was the point where actually I closed all my positions due to a error in the code. All right, and from here I continued, like the very next minute I continued, and it finally ended up at the peak of the day. And if by any chance, now this is Nifty, if by any chance this 15-20 candle, okay, and this move would not have come, okay, and this fall was like continued till here, then I would have like made close to 1.5%, because even with the original quantity I would have closed at around 15,000, and if the fall was more, my delta trades would have gained more, but theta would have bled. So the thing is, I would have made more money in both the cases if the market had fallen, or otherwise if all my trades were there in the system today. So yeah, another unlucky day for me because I could not utilize the day till the brim, and I hope that we will have a similar expiry tomorrow. Tomorrow is Finnifty expiry. So before going, let's just see how Finnifty behaved. Absolutely the same way like Bank Nifty. All right. So this was like close to 40 points, and 40 points for a period of close to 5 hours. Okay, and theta decay was massive in Finnifty. So yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow then. Let's hope that tomorrow we have a very calm expiry, just like what we had today. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.